here it is, the iPhone 11 Pro 256. So as you can see here, iPhone 11 Pro Space Grey 256 gig Space Grey. So you get the iPhone 11 Pro earpods, USB-C to Lightning cable, USB-C power adapter, and all the other bits in there as well. So this is a UK unboxing. So a UK unboxing, so we'll be able to look at the UK plug that comes with this. So let's go. Okay. Box is a little, say box, the cellophane is a little scratched, as you can see on there, but the box looks like it's all right. There's no issue with the box, so let's have a closer look. So we've got the lovely bit there, the iPhone, Apple logo, iPhone, Apple logo. Okay. Look at that. So that Apple logo is further down. And there is a bit of writing at the bottom. Well, I don't think, no, there's nothing on the back. So let's try and get it. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can focus. So you can see that there is the CEO logo there and also the Do Not Bin logo. So there is something on there which a lot of people in America didn't show. So maybe it's just a UK or European thing that needs to be there. Anyway, so let's just focus again. There we go. So let's take this out. And there it is. Okay. Apple Link, 1 Apple Park Way, Cupertino. Let's have a look at the sides. Nice and shiny. I'm going to put that there. What we'll do is we'll look inside here. So Apple, designed by Apple in California. So we'll have a look. We've got our usual hello. We've got our SIM ejection tool. Oh, and we've got a little hello here. Nice, just some extra things there. And our trusty Apple stickers that I've never used. And a little safety handling EU compliance. So there we go, there's the EU compliance. That's probably why you've got that symbol and the bin one, because of the European Union. They are on there, whereas I guess in the American one, it is totally bare. So next, we get to see our earpods. So these earpods, as you know, are Lightning. I'm not going to open them because we all know what earpods look like. We've got a nice Lightning, but to USB-C. So we've got USB-C to Lightning, not USB-C to USB-C, but to Lightning. And then finally in the box, we have our 18-watt USB-C. Oh, well, that was good, wasn't it? Okay. So this is like a paper, I guess it could be possibly biodegradable, I'm not sure, but it's different to the plastic that they usually have. And this is very similar to the Apple Watch plug that you used to get, or that you get. So it does have the USB-C, and you have that. So it keeps it nice and thin, similar to the American one, but the American one is a lot longer, but you can flick that out. So let's have a nice close-up of that. Nice. If we just zoom in, so made in China, designed by Apple in California, all the usual bits on there. Lovely. Okay, so as we know, that goes in there, that goes in there. That goes in there. So you have a nice box there. And then just to put these away, we've got that SIM ejection tool, the hello. We can put them away in a sec. Okay, so let's just make sure it's focused. There we go. That sounds good. It's a bigger button. If you notice here, there's a bigger button to the iPhone 8 Plus, which I'm using currently. But we're now switching on for the first time. Oh. So you can see iPhone 8 Plus on there, and this is it. Just have a look at the lenses. Hello. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll set that up in a sec, because I need to use the SIM ejection tool, put my SIM from my current phone into this one. But before we do, I did get this yesterday, so it came before the phone. I got this, this is the Tech 21 case. So, not having a good day today, am I? There we go. Okay. Let's just remove that. Okay. So it tells me what I've got. Let's have a look. The Evo check for the 5.8 2019. So let's have a nice look. Mix and match buttons. Ooh. It's a bit different, isn't it? So you're able to change these buttons. I'm not sure why you would have yellow and green, but you do. But that is, it's not bad, that case. Not bad at all. This is my current one, Tech 21. It's just got like a meshy inside and a smooth back. This, as you can feel the crosses on the back. It's supposed to be self-cleaning, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this little video. Let me just get rid of all of that. So anyway, we've got the iPhone 11 Pro 256 and the case that we've got that with as well. Amazing.